Hey, Algebra Kids, this is DrCallahan with week 16, Monday. How are you guys doing? So go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. Ooh, I don't like that noise. That's okay, because we're going to go ahead and modify that. Sorry about that. So anyways, go ahead and answer the following 3 questions. Okay, so then with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at your guided notes for today. So you are going to be taking a look at the 2 worksheets that I have right here. This is in your guided note packet for week 16 Monday. So take a look at this, please. Here's page 1, and then of course, page 2. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with a video right here. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and type in this URL. You can actually go to YouTube and then maybe just type in this part right here, or even search compare plot.histogram and box plot and pick up this video right here. Watch it. It's only about like 6 minutes. So pause the video and do that. All right, when you're done, we're going to get started right over here on this side. So on the bottom of this page right here, go ahead and type in a histogram is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. And a frequency table is a number of times an event or a value that occurs. All right, so then let's go ahead and take a look at this part right here when it comes to symmetrical distribution. So this one here is skewed to the left because more data is over here on the right. So this part right here on the left is a little bit less. This one is symmetrical. It's symmetrical because it's like a perfect bell curve, and the data on the right and the left are perfectly distributed. This one is called skew to the right because there's more data on the left side and less data on the right side. Okay, so when you're picking an appropriate measure, when a data distribution is symmetric, use the mean to describe the center, or the mean is just the average. Use the standard deviation to describe the variation. Remember, standard deviation is how spread apart the data are. When the data distribution is skewed, make sure that you use the median to describe the center. The median, remember, is the middle number. And then use a 5-number summary to describe the variation. And let's move on to the next part. Here we go. Example 1, the frequency table shows the number of raffle tickets sold by students in your grade. Display the data in a histogram describing the shape of the distribution. Okay, so what we're going to do with this one is we are going to draw the following. Okay, so we are going to draw. Here's my histogram. There's my histogram. Here is the frequency. So we're going to have the left side represent the frequency. And so it's going by 5s, which is the lowest number, all the way to 25. So it actually might be worthwhile. And my pen's not working. To go ahead and have it from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then what I'm going to do on the bottom is this is a number of tickets sold. So ticket sold. And it's from 1 to 8. And then it's from 9 to 16, 17 to 24, 25 to 32, 33 to 40, 41 to 48. I'm going to move over a little bit. 49 to 59. So now let's go ahead and draw this. So 1 to 8 is 5. So I'm going to have my bar right here. 9 to 16 is 9. So I'm going to draw my bar right there. 17 to 24 is 16. So let's go up to here. 25 to 32 is 25. So that's going to be the maximum. 33 to 40 is 20. So I'm going to be right there. 41 to 48 is going to be at 8. 49 to 57 is going to be at 7. And that is your histogram. So then what I want you guys to do is go ahead and do the bottom right here and give that a try. So pause the video and try that on your own. Okay, so with this one, you have a police officer measuring the speed in miles per hour of 30 molares. This is what you're shown here. And it says display the data in a histogram using 6 intervals beginning with 31 to 35. Okay, so let's create that. So here is my diagram. So if you're going to make this from 31 to 35, then from 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. And I think that's actually the last one because that's the biggest number. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Okay, so this right here is going to be the speed, miles per hour. And on the left side is going to be the frequency. And the frequency. Okay, so let's take a look at this. How many do you have that's 31 to 35? So let's highlight them. 31 to 35, there's 1. Actually, it's just 1. So we're going to go ahead and draw 0 right here. 1, 2, 3. So it's just going to be 1. Like that. Then from 35 to 40, let's see, 35 to 40. There's 1, 2 of them. So I'm going to go from 2. Then from 40 to 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here, we're going to go up to 6. And go ahead and finish the rest of these and then tell me what the answer is for B and C. Okay, now I'm going to turn over to this side and I want you guys to go ahead and answer this on your own. Pause the video. Okay, we're going to take a look at example 4. I'm going to do this together. You're going to grab a color paper. You're going to need rulers and a coloring box. So here it says make a double box and whisker plot representing the data describing each shape. So you're going to create a box and whisker for the woman and a box and whisker for the men. Now remember with a box and whisker, you need to have the smallest number, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and then the biggest number, okay, which you actually have here in this data point. So smallest number for men, biggest number for men, first quartile is lower quartile, middle, upper quartile. So this is the smallest number, biggest number, lower quartile, median, upper quartile. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is my box and whisker. My smallest number is 2 and my biggest number is 17. So I'm going to start at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I can stop there. I'm going to start off with the middle number, which is 7. So I'm going to have 7 right there. First quartile, my lower quartile is at 5. Upper quartile is at 10. And I'm going to create my box like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and find my whiskers, which is my smallest number and my biggest number. So 2 and then 17. And this is the box and whisker for men. Now I want you guys to do the same thing, but you're going to do this for women. Okay. And so take a look at your numbers, 5 to 24. So if you're starting at 5, you might want to go by 5. So here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and you can stop right there. And then median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and then answer the following questions, B and C. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time.